In this video, I'll show you how to create a private channel in Slack step by step. First, open Slack and log into your account. Once you are inside your workspace, look at the left sidebar where your channels are listed. Click on the plus icon next to the Channels section. Then select the option called Create a Channel. Enter a name for your channel and add a short description if needed. Now, make sure to enable the option called Make Private. Private channels are only visible to invited members. After that, click Create to continue. Next, invite the members you want to add to the private channel. Click Add Members and select the people you want to include. Once finished, click Done to create the private channel. Your private channel will now be ready to use and only visible to invited members.